All right. All right. Make your presentation.
One, I have written report on flood relief measures. Due to heavy rain for the last 3 days, the low-lying areas of adjoining areas were submerged in water, causing great damage and inconvenience to the people. All links were disrupted, making life miserable as people were forced to battle for bare necessities. Rescue camps have come up to aid the people suffering from the disaster. The government and the other social agencies are working round the clock to rescue those in need with food packets, medicines, and all necessary amenities. There was no loss of life, which is a saving grace. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I have written report on blood donation camp. A blood donation camp was organized in our college. All the preparations such as arrangement of beds, sanitation, etc. were made. A team of doctors and nurses from the hospital had reached in time. I was also enthusiastic for donating my blood. Then the process of extracting the blood of my body started. The process took more than half an hour. After it, along with the other donators, I was given fruits and milk. The doctor told that the donated blood would be used for saving the lives of injured and sick. Another doctor also addressed the student, saying that the blood donation does not weaken the donators. The recovery takes place very soon. It was certainly a memorable day for me. I, along with other students, decided to donate blood in future also. Thank you.
All right. Very good.
Can I start? Good morning, everyone. I am Shivam. My report writing on fire accident. A fire, a fire broke out in Patna yesterday in two-story house due to a gas cylinder explanation.
Explosion. Gas cylinder explosion.
Explosion and household goods worth almost 2 lakhs were completely destroyed. The incident took place during the replacement of a cylinder as the regulator was not fixed properly on the new cylinder. The leak caused couch fire resulting in the accident. It took 3 fire tenders almost 4 hours to control the fire. The police have registered a case of accident and a probe to investigate the exact cause of the fire will be carried out the injured person. A man and women were admitted to the Burns ward of PMCH hospital and their condition is stated to be critical. Thank you.
All right. Very good. Yes. Next.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, friends. A blood donation camp was organized in our college last Sunday. It was held in the college hall. All the participation, such as a blood donation camp, was organized in our college last Sunday. It was held in the college hall. All the participants, such as arrangements of bed, sanitation, etc., were made. A team of the doctor and the nurse from the local government hospital had reached in the time. And the chief guest of the campus was the SDO in the city. He inaugurated the camp by cutting the ribbon. And the students of our college and the teachers of our college participating in the camp. I was also participating for the donating my blood. I was led to the bed with a softball in my hand. Then the process of extracting the blood of my body started. After donated my blood, I took milk and fruits. Thank you.
Okay, next.
This is pandemic which organized in the city of Wuhan, China, and quickly spread to various countries, with many cases having has been reported worldwide. As May 8th, 2020, in India, 56,342 positive cases has been reported. India, with a population of more than 1.3 billion, the second largest population in the world, will have difficult in controlling the transmission of subacute respiratory system coronavirus to among its population. Multiple strategies will be highly necessary to handle the control outbreak. This including computational meeting statistically tools and quantitative analysis to control the uh, spread as well as the rapid development of a new treatment. The Minister of Health and Family Welfare of India has realized awareness about the recent outbreak and has taken necessary action to control and state government and taking serve measures and formulating several wartime protocol to achieve this goal. Moreover, the India government implemented a 55 days lockdown uh, throughout the country that started on March 25th, 2020 to reduce the transmission of the virus. This outbreak is inextricably linked to the economy of the nation as it has dramatically impeded in industrial sector because people worldwide and controlling causing about engaging in business in the affected regions. Thank you.
All right.
A medical care camp was set up in Danapur military camp by the NGO. In the camp, proper medical treatment of the people near areas was done. The medical measures were provided all free of cost, including the basic medicines required for early recovery. Members of military camp notes down the details of the people of slum areas who had come for the health checkup. People were encouraged to do simple activities on a regular basis to get rid of excessive body pain. A blood pressure checkup was performed on every patient. After that, they were sent to their respective doctors, where appropriate, given the right direction regarding their health. A large majority of people were suffering from chronic back pain, swelling, watery eyes, and high low BP. There is a prime examples of how these slums can be served appropriately. If we are interested, we need not be high profile citizens to bring about the change in society. It is willingness and enthusiasm which comes out from within the encourage you to work for a betterment of others. Thank you.
Keep quiet. We'll start.
morning, everyone. My name is Malak Kumari. My report is government school. According to me, government school is not good compared to private school because in government school it not provide good environment for a student to study. I'm not saying that teacher doesn't teach; they teach, but not properly. They have no routine that what your subject. Any teacher teach any subject. Just like if a teacher come in classroom and ask a student before me whose subject what you reading. If a student say you are reading English, then he won't teach English. He won't teach English. Doesn't matter he has a teacher of English. He will try to teach like math. And government school students are also careless about their study. Why do I know? Why do I know that? Because I have done 1 to 12th with government school. In other hand, private school provide everything to related study and discipline for a student. There is a routine both a student and teacher. They teach their student as like we are children, their children. And a student we are also respect their teach and elders. It doesn't mean that government school students don't respect other and they careless. And more thing, meals are not important to provide for a student because we do not go to school to eating food. If government school provide food for poor children, then they provide but not in school. Because if I say I'm from government school, then not everyone, but someone said that someone laugh at and say that what does teacher teach and starting irrelevant question. I think government school think about. I think government school should think about. Sorry, I think government should think about government school. Thank you.
Okay. All right, start.
So let me start. Patna, September 2021, by Sikandar Kumar. A blood donation camp was organized in the college campus, Seamage group of institutions. Yesterday, like every year, this year too, the camp was organized by the youth students of Seamage College. The camp started at 9 o'clock in the morning. With the welcome of the guest, the chief guest of the camp was the director sir of Seamage College. He motivated all students for blood donation. He said that blood donation can help a dying person. Man should help one another. He was the first to donate his blood. Mostly youth interested to donate their blood during the whole medical staff and social workers were doing their work perfectly. Juice, milk, coffee, fruits, etc., were being given to the donors, and a gift was given to the donors by the institutions. Almost 200 people donate their blood in the camp. The camp ended at 5 o'clock in PM. Thank you.
5 p.m.
5 p.m. Yes, ma'am.
All right, this was your imaginary
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
blood donation camp. Okay. Yes, next. Anybody who is online would like to make a report, present his report or her report? And people who are with the cameras off, they will be marked absent today, I'm telling you. Like in the online class, nobody is present because they all have their cameras off. Nobody is present. I will be only marking them for those who have their camera on. घर पे बैठे हो फिर भी कैमरा ऑन नहीं है तो क्या फायदा क्लास करने से? ठीक है. All right. Anybody else would like to make a presentation? Yes, come.
We live in a multi-language world where connections are now more important than ever. The world is becoming increasingly globalization, and knowing a second language can always give you an unfair advantage. There are tangible benefits of to begin by language, like it can help you in your career. It can help you in improve your brain and memory function. हंस का रही है. It can help increase your understanding of the language you already speak. A second language can drastically change your career. It helps to living in an interconnected world. Means that more and more jobs are advertising position where knowing more than one language is essential. As more companies trade internationally and create relationships with other countries, employees are often asked to travel for work. Enhance this relationship or be recruited abroad. Besides having more chances of landing a good job or advancing in your career, learning a second language can also give you an insight into other cultures. You will be more prepared for confident to travel the world and explore other people's way of living.
Is that all?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, start.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ansu Kumar, roll 32. Today, I have written on report blood donation camp. A blood donation camp was organized in our college on last Sunday. It was held in the college. Some teams of doctors came in our college, and then we started the process of blood donating. Some students were many students were participating in blood donating program. I was also enthusiastic for donating my blood. A certificate of appreciation, donation, or refreshments was given to each donor as a token of gratitude. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, anybody who is online would like to make a presentation? Yeah. आइए. कैसे कैमरा रखे हो? मुझे तो नहीं हंसी आ रही है. Yeah. और में क्या तुम्हारा? तो स्पीकर्स व्यू में इसका नाम क्यों आ रहा है? आप बोल नहीं रहे हैं तो आपका क्यों कैमरा स्पीकर्स व्यू क्यों हो रहा है आपका?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my dear friends. Today I share my opinion about social media. Social media is an online platform where we can share thoughts, information, pictures, and videos. We all use it in our day-to-day life. It has become a integrated part of our lives. There are various social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. We all use them to communicate and socialize. Uh, Loyalty as will as globally the biggest benefit of social media is that we can share our thoughts and ideas with people across the world. Now even a common man can express his opinion on my national or international issues. Another biggest of social media is that people can show their talent, and this platform many people have going from my showing their talent.
Okay. Anybody offline would like to make a presentation? Yes, start. One place, not palace, place.